Good morning. Today is October 7th. We're going to go over our language arts lesson under second 6 weeks, week 1, language arts. Today is October 7th. And let's look at the instructions. We will learn about words with the all sound. A-L. Together make the sound all. We will learn about writing sentences with correct subjects and verbs. And as we're learning, let's think about what letter makes the all sound. How can we tell if the subject and verb agree in a sentence? Well, this is what we're working on, grammar. At the top corner, it says 1.6.3 and our spelling page 40. So to find the grammar page, you need to look at the top corner. But first, we're going to watch a video about subject-verb agreement.
A new guitar solo? Well, let's hear it. That's not a solo, that's just one chord. You're gonna have to practice a little more if the two of us are going to form a band. Dear Tim and Moby, how do I get my subjects and verbs to agree? From Harry. Subject-verb agreement is all about numbers. A subject has to agree with its verb in number. Single subjects are followed by single verbs, and plural subjects are followed by plural verbs. Well, let's take you playing the guitar. You're one single person, so we say Moby plays the guitar. Our subject.
Remember when a person is singular, the verb has to have an S.
Is Moby, and our verb is plays. Take away the rest, and Moby plays is still a correct sentence. Moby and plays agree. But if I were to pick up a guitar and play it along with you, then our subject would be we. You and I, we. That's a plural subject, because there's more than one of us. Our sentence would be, we play the guitar. Again, you can check to see if this is correct by removing the extra words, leaving just the subject and verb. We play. It sounds right, and sometimes with English, that's the best way to know if something's correct. Well, listen. We play agrees in number, but we plays does not. You can hear that the first way just sounds correct. Actually, most verbs that end in S are singular. That's the opposite of nouns. When they end in S, they're usually plural. All right, let's get back to our music. What do you mean you're quitting the band? I'm too demanding. What are you talking about? Fine. I'll just go solo.
Okay, so and then if there's more than one, it has to end with no S. So now we're going to practice. We're going to look at our anchor chart, pronouns and verbs. If the pronoun he, she, or it is the subject of a sentence that tells about now, add S or ES to the verb. If the pronoun I, you, we, or they is the subject of a sentence that tells about now, do not add S or ES to the verb. Pronoun he, she, or it. He throws the ball. She catches the ball. Pronoun I, you, we, or they, no change to the verb. They watch the game. We cheer very loudly. Now we're going to practice in our grammar book. This is the orange grammar book. And at the top corner, you look for this number. It should be page 28. But mine doesn't have a number at the bottom. So look for this number, 1.6.3, in your grammar book. You can pause this video, and then when you're ready with your book, press play. If the pronoun he, let me go ahead and open with Cami. If the pronoun he, she, or it is the subject of a sentence that tells about now, add S or ES to the verb. So that's what we have to highlight. If we have pronouns like he, she, it, or is, oh, not is, sorry. If we have this, he, she, or it, the rule is that we have to add s or es. Okay, when the subject is he, she, or it, we have to add s or es to the verb. He catches the ball. If the pronoun I, you, we, or they is the subject, we do not add s or es. They look for the dog. Because it's they, we don't add s. Circle the correct verb to match the subject, then write the sentence. I reach. So let's look at the rules. I. If I have I, do not add s or es. So because I have I do not add es. That means that I cross this one out. And the one that I'm using is going to be I reach. I reach for the ticket, period. I reach for the ticket. He look or looks very cold. He look very cold. He looks very cold. So I have to look at the rule. I have he, so that means I have to add s. Add s or es. He looks very cold, period. And I need to circle it. He looks very cold. Okay, now you practice the last three. Follow the rules, go back up to the rules, and follow them just like I did. Okay, you can rewatch this part, press pause. You can press pause here until you're done with this page, and then continue with the next page, with the next activity. So you can press pause here, and when you're done, you can press play to continue with spelling. Now we're going to do spelling. We're going to look at our spelling words. Chalk, fall, wall, talk, ball, walk, small, tall, call, all, called. We're doing our spelling book, page 40. This is what your spelling book, page 40, looks like. You can press pause here to get your book ready, and then press play when you have your spelling book open to page 40. Spelling book to page 40. Okay, these are our words: chalk, walk, fall, small, wall, tall, talk, call, ball, all. We're going to categorize them with different words. Write the spelling word that fits each group. Say, speak. Does chalk fit with say, speak? Walk, fall, small, wall, tall, talk. Say, speak, talk. That one goes together in a category. Number 2. Run, jog. Chalk, walk, fall. Walk goes with running and jogging. Bat, glove, ball. Okay, because this is baseball. Complete the analogies. March is to September as spring is to fall. Because March is in spring, September is in fall. Empty is to full as none is to all. Paper is to pen as chalkboard is to chalk. You use pen to write on paper, and you use chalk to write on a chalkboard. Big is to large as high is to small. Number 8. Elephant is to big as mouse is to oh, look, this one. Big is to large as high is to tall. Number 7 is actually tall. That one was a tricky one. Elephant is to big as mouse is to small. Write a spelling word that completes each sentence. After math, we will line up along the classroom wall. Remember that the number 10, listen for the nurse to your name to call your name. Listen for the nurse to call your name. Okay, you can pause the video here to finish writing the words. And that's our language arts lesson for today. Thank you for watching this video.